Hey there, I'm Nick Popovich, PlexTrac Hacker in Residence. Welcome to the PlexTrac ProTips, a video series of quick tips and tricks for maximizing how you use PlexTrac. Brought to you by me and my fellow PlexTrac super users to share cool features and uses that we hope will make your work even more effective and efficient. Have a unique PlexTrac use case or tip of your own? Share in the comments. Now, let's get to our pro tip.
One of the key pieces of saving time with your reporting in PlexTrac is the Jinja template. The Jinja template takes all of the information you enter into PlexTrac and allows you to export out a report that aligns with your branding colors and reporting methods. We have a resource that makes it simple and easy to create a template you want for your different reporting needs. At templating.plextrac.com, you can view different options for self-serve Jinja templates. The pages under Getting Started all cover a single topic that help prep you to use self-serve templating. It involves everything from the terminology surrounding templating in PlexTrac, as well as what you can edit within the Jinja code. The current library on this site includes a single scope template, a multi-scope template, a Pantera integration template, and then an ISO 27001 assessment template. We're going to look at an output example from a single scope template today. This is what a single scope template would look like if you uploaded just what is already on that site into your PlexTrac on the templates and then exported a report using that. This is all of the basic settings that we have set up on that default template. But we can go ahead and do a bunch of editing. Within the single scope template, you can look at the display options page, and it tells you all of the different things that you can edit, from the cover page to detailed findings to the color codes if you want different colors for various things. I've gone ahead and downloaded my baseline single scope template, and I've opened it up to the first page, which has all of the code that I can customize using the information from this website. We're going to go ahead and jump into the color codes and update our color table header. You just go ahead and select the hex code that's in there and then paste your new hex code in. Make sure that you take this hash out. It's not needed for this code. I'm going to keep my severity colors the same because they work for my reporting. The other options that we can edit are under the display options on the templating site. So the first thing to look at is the cover page. We just changed this integer right here. Right now it's set to cover page 3 in this template. If you look at that, that's what your cover page would look like if you leave it as cover page 3. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to cover page 4 by changing this number from a 3 to a 4. The other option that I'm going to choose to update on this is the summary table option. That's my finding summary tables. Again, we're just changing the integer. Right now, that is set to option 2, which shows the severity, the CVSS score, a title, and a reference number. I actually would like it to include the recommendations. So I am going to change my summary table option to 3. And then you would save this, import it into your PlexTrac system using the template setup guidelines, and make your report template. And then when you go ahead and create your report and export that out, you would get something that looks like this, with all of those updated changes, the changes in colors, and so on throughout your report that match or align with your branding guidelines and your reporting methods.